YouTube, are you trying to make money online and sick and tired of trying to sell people something? If so, stay with me. I got something that's going to be perfect for you in my review of CodeOne. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people that can pull it successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you are new, feel free to skip ahead. But if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche. Why? Because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, Bart, I'm really not in the mood today. Seriously. You can see I didn't even get my haircut yet. You know, I'm getting annoyed with the lockdown business. I had an accident yesterday. I smashed my knee. Couldn't get out. I'm stuck at home, even though my barber is available finally to give me a haircut. I'm still stuck without a haircut. So I'm really annoyed, Bart. Not the time to do this. Anyway, so the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz. I love Liz. She's a sweetheart. She's such a great person. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video. Comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, welcome. We are on the sales page for CodeOne software. Not Ready Player One, CodeOne. Pay attention. Anyway, so this is a little bit different than what you usually would see in the Make Money Online niche. Basically, most of these kind of softwares focus on things like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank. We're basically getting paid for people buying an affiliate product that you are selling. This is different. This software is actually designed specifically and only for what are called CPA or cost per action offers. So basically, for example, if you might see an offer where it says, put in your name and address in order to get a free trial tube of toothpaste. And the hope is that they'll go out and buy more of the toothpaste once they try it because they love it so much, assuming that's not sold out because of somebody prepping for the lockdown. Anyway, let's see, the lockdown is starting to end, so hopefully by the time you watch this, it'll be good. So, and that's basically the way it works. You can see that this is not the usual Warrior Plus stuff. This is obviously from a CPA network, and you can see the kind of money being made here. The conversion rate, basically the number of people, like for every 100 people that clicked the link, 15% actually did whatever it was they needed to do. Over here it was like 4%. But no matter what, you can also use free traffic. They're going to train you for free traffic. I'm also going to give you a bunch of bonuses showing you how to get free traffic. And I'm also going to give you a bonus that's going to be huge. The number's going to offer you. I have a Instagram account with over 7,000 followers. You're going to get a free Instagram shout out when you grab this software from me. Nobody else is going to offer that to you. So that's really, really cool. Let's go ahead and take a look at the software at the members area. I'm going to show you why I do like it and why I don't like it. So this is the members area. And basically, you're going to start off over here on the front page. It's just going to say, thank you for purchasing. Please go ahead and check out the training or whatever else in order to see how it all works. And that's relatively easy. I'm going to show you how it works. So the first thing you do is go to creation process and click library management. Okay, and then you're going to create a library. I've already created one. Basically, all you're going to do is type in the name of the library and click create. You can see here I have already created one. It says Eric right here. And then you're going to go to the little pencil here and click that. And you can see I've actually added a couple of GIFs to my library already. Now, the way the software works is basically that it uses what are called GIFs or animated images. So in order to add in images into your library, what you're going to do is you're going to go to GIF management. Okay, and then we're going to search for something. So let's say we want something about toothpaste. That's what we're doing. So let's see if we can find anything about toothpaste. I don't know for sure if it's going to work or not. Let's see if something comes up for toothpaste. Okay, so plenty of toothpaste GIFs over here. So let's go ahead and use this one. We're going to click Save GIF. All right, we're going to add it to my library over here. All right, super simple. Now we're back in our library management page. Now here's what you actually would do with the software. So you go back to the edit, and we now have our library. So you can do what's called click Create Money Page. Now here's why I'm a little bit hesitant about the software. So basically over here, the idea is that whatever CPA network you're working with, it's going to give you a piece of code. The code is going to say, click here to get your free tube of toothpaste, whatever it is. Who knows? Okay, and you're going to paste it in over here. Okay, give it a name like toothpaste CPA. You put your code in over here. You go click submit, and it's going to create what it calls a money page. Now you can go back over here to money pages, and we can actually see that I created one with a different image, and we'll click copy URL. Okay, I'm going to show you what it looks like, and this is why I'm not thrilled about you can't really use this for affiliate marketing at all. So this is what the money page looks like. Basically, all it's going to do is going to pop up the GIF that we chose, in this case, the dancing dog. And if you put in a CPA offer, it'll have text around it saying, click here for your free toothpaste tube or whatever, and the GIF will be clickable. You can actually see over here, I go back over here to the money pages. This is another one that I created where I actually did go ahead and put in a URL, but I didn't put in any text for it. And you can see it's actually got my picture over here, and basically when you click it, it's going to go to my own website. So that definitely does work. It does do that. The thing that bothers me though is if we go back over here to the creation process and library management. Okay, you can go back here again. Let's say we wanted to create a money page out of our toothpaste ad. So it does have an option what's called a pop-up. Basically, a pop-up, you can put in the link. That's what I did with my own website. I put in the link with my image and everything else, and you can choose an image URL to create a pop-up. The trouble that I have with it, though, is that basically once you've done that, you really can't do a whole lot else with it. So it's only really useful if you use the custom JavaScript, which is basically going to be something that came from a CPA network where it's hopefully going to have some text on it. Otherwise, a little bit not useful when in pop-up mode. I don't know how much use it's going to be. Let's create your own custom GIFs, which is a pain in the neck. I don't really see the point of doing it. Only see the point if you're using a CPA network. So let's see if I'm going to give it to my Hustler Product Creator or not. Okay, so I'm going to give this a cautionary tip of my hat. It's a nice piece of software. I like the concept. And here you go, tip my hat. But the thing that I didn't like, that I'm annoyed about, is that you can't put in your own custom text. So basically, if you want something that's dummy-proof and very simple, and if you use it with a CPA network where it's going to give you the text included with the thing, then great, it'll work fine, it'll be terrific. But if you wanted to use it for something more generalized, like for affiliate marketing or driving traffic to your blog or whatever else, you're probably going to want to look elsewhere. But bottom line, if you're going to do a CPA network thing where you don't want to have to do any work, all you want to do is drive traffic to the page and get people to click on it, and so that they go ahead and sign for the tube of toothpaste, whatever it is, then yeah, it's a great product, and you can go ahead and grab it, and then I think, and only then, you're going to love it.